Topic 2.4, the integration of hyperbolic functions. So for formula number 1, we have the integral of hyperbolic cosine of v dv is equal to hyperbolic sine of v plus c, provided that your dv here is the derivative of your angle v here. Number 2, the integral of hyperbolic sine of v dv is hyperbolic cosine of v plus c. Number 3, the hyperbolic secant square of v dv is equal to hyperbolic tangent of v plus c. Number 4, the hyperbolic cosecant square of v dv is negative hyperbolic cotangent of v plus c. Number 5, the hyperbolic tangent of v dv is ln is equal to ln of hyperbolic cosine of v plus c. Number 6, the hyperbolic secant v hyperbolic tangent v dv is negative hyperbolic secant v plus c. Number 7, the hyperbolic cotangent of v dv is equal to ln of hyperbolic sine of v plus c. Number 8, the hyperbolic cosecant v hyperbolic cotangent v dv is equal to negative hyperbolic cosecant v plus c. Example number 1, we have the integral of hyperbolic sine of 4x dx. So recalling the formula, we have the integral of hyperbolic sine of v dv is equal to hyperbolic cosine v plus c. So the 4x here is your v, so v is equal to 4x, therefore your dv is equal to 4 dx. So dapat dito ay 4 dx. So since kulang tayo ng 4 dyan, what we are going to do is to multiply 4. So hyperbolic sine of 4x dx. So we multiply 4 here. Since nag-multiply tayo ng 4, reciprocal niya sa labas. So since derivative na nung angle ng hyperbolic sine yung nandito, so therefore the integral of this is hyperbolic cosine of v. So we have 1/4 hyperbolic cosine, your v is 4x plus c. This is our answer. Example number 2, we have the integral of x cubed hyperbolic cotangent of x to the 4th dx. So recalling the formula, we have the integral of hyperbolic cotangent of v dv that is equal to ln of hyperbolic sine of v plus c. So in this case, your x to the 4th is your v, so your v is equal to x to the 4th. Taking the derivative of this, we have dv is equal to 4x cubed dx. So makikita natin dito that we already have the x cubed in the dx, so kulang na lang tayo ng 4. So we have, rewrite natin siya, hyperbolic cotangent to the 4th and x cubed dx. So we multiply 4 dito sa loob and we multiply the reciprocal sa labas, which is 1/4. So we have, since derivative na ng x to the 4th yung nandito, the answer is ln of hyperbolic sine of v. So it's 1/4 ln of hyperbolic sine. Your v is x to the 4th plus c, and this is our answer. So we have here, mukhang mas nalimuot lang yung mukha pero hindi naman ito mahirap. Example number 3, we have the integral of the quantity x minus pi over 2 square multiplied by hyperbolic cosecant square of the quantity x minus pi over 2 cube dx. So if we are going to recall the formula, we have the integral of hyperbolic cosecant square of v dv that is equal to negative hyperbolic cotangent of v plus c. So itong part na to, yan yung v natin. So we let our v is equal to x minus pi over 2 raised to 3. So taking the derivative of this, we have dv. So sabi nung derivative, we have to multiply the n and subtract the exponent by 1. So we have square multiplied by the derivative nung base, and that is dx. Remember that pi over 2 here is constant, so derivative of x is dx. Okay, so nakikita na natin dito yung x minus pi over 2 square and the dx, yung 3 na lang yung kulang natin. So mukhang mahirap lang yung mukha, pero madali lang siya, no? So tricky lang talaga yung mukha niya. Parang siya mapagpanggap, diba? Okay, so we have x minus pi over 2 square dx. Ayan. So we multiply 3 here. Since nag-multiply tayo ng 3 dyan, magma-multiply tayo ng reciprocal dito sa labas. Since derivative niya na yung katabi niya, then the answer is just the negative hyperbolic cotangent of v. So we have here 1/3 negative hyperbolic cotangent of v, since your v is x minus pi over 2 cubed plus c. This is our answer.